In the guideline mode, you can more precisely set your guideline's position and angle. Click on the guideline to select it. You can now enter a new position and angle and click on Apply to execute the changes. By clicking on the checkbox next to the values, you can change the relative position of the guideline. You can create new guidelines from already existing ones by selecting a guideline, enter a new value for position and angle, and then click the Duplicate button. This will create a new guideline, and you also get to keep the original one. To delete a guideline, select the guideline and then click on Remove Guideline. The button underneath will delete all guidelines in this project.